Hello everyone. In this short video, I'm going to explain what radon is and how to check it to know if your home radon level is in the safe range. Let's start. This is a local public health media release. November is the Radon Action Month in Canada. So what is radon? The radon is a colorless, odorless gas present in many homes. It's a naturally occurring radioactive gas found in soil, rock, and groundwater. Radon is the leading cause of the lung cancer in non-smokers. This is a Canada radon level map. The dark red represent the percentage of a home with high radon level over 10%. That's very high. This is a US radon map. You can see the north part of US is also very high. Testing is the only way to measure the presence of the radon in your home. Good news, there are affordable home radon detectors available on the market. Radoneye RD200 is one of them. Let me show you how to set it up. First, plug in the power cord. It takes a few minutes for Radoneye to initiate, probably 2-3 minutes, and then it takes about 10 minutes to get the first measurement. Go to the Apple Store to download the Radoneye app if you don't have one. I have one already installed, so I open it. If you can't see your device in your app, you can go to your settings to turn on and off the Bluetooth to reconnect it. And then in the app, you will see your Radoneye, the model numbers there in the device tab. Click it. You can see they are connected to your Radoneye and get the reading. In this screen, you can see the measurement time, peak value, and the one-day average. Click the upper right corner, the setting icon, you can get this. You can erase all the data, change the unit settings from picocurie liter to the becquerel cubic meters. And you can enable, disable alarm, change the alarm threshold based on the guideline. In Canada, the guideline, the average number is not over 200. Click the upper left corner, you can get this, and I have saved the log data before. You choose that, select the file you saved before, and then they will show you all the charts. You can see the readings up and down fluctuates sharply. After I watch or monitor it over a year, there are a few points I would like to share with you. The first, the summer reading are lower. Winter's reading are higher because we open window in the summer. In the low pressure day, I mean the atmosphere pressure is low, the radon level is higher because the underground gas is easy coming out. Third, in the summer rainy day, the radon level is higher because the underground water is getting higher to push the radon gas out. Last one, when you turn on the exhaust fan in the washroom, especially in the basement, the radon level most likely goes up because the negative pressure sucks in air from the ground if you are not open the window. If your home the radon level is above 200 on the average, even 150, you need to reduce it by installing the radon mitigation system. I leave a description and the links below about the Radoneye RD200, the radon detector. Welcome to leave a comment sharing your experience to fight the radon gas at your home for reducing the risk of the lung cancer. If you like this video, please hit like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.